Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create labels in Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, you have to go to the Mailings tab on your Microsoft toolbar and then select Labels. And then you just simply paste any address you want. So I have given this example address over here, and then over here if you click in this blank area, Microsoft Word has given you some options on how you want to print the label. So for now we will just select 30 per page and then click OK, and then you select new document. So you see Word has created a label sheet for you with 30 labels. Now you can treat this as a label, as a table, and then you can just make it bold, center it, and then you can even give a background shading if you want. And now you can easily print this out and create labels for yourself. So this is how you can easily create labels in Microsoft Word document. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.